In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select your GPU in DaVinci Resolve. If DaVinci Resolve is using the wrong graphics card, or if you simply want more control over performance, manually choosing your GPU can help. This is especially useful if your computer has more than one graphics processor, such as an integrated GPU and a dedicated GPU. The good news is that the process is very quick once you know where to look. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click on DaVinci Resolve to open the main application menu. From that menu, choose Preferences. This is where Resolve stores many of its global settings, including hardware-related options. Once the Preferences window opens, make sure you are under the System tab. Inside the System section, find Memory and GPU. This area controls how DaVinci Resolve interacts with your computer's graphics hardware, so this is the section you'll want for GPU selection. Now look for the GPU configuration setting. By default, DaVinci Resolve may automatically choose which GPU it wants to use. That can be convenient, but if you want to manually select a specific graphics card, you'll need to turn that automatic setting off. To do that, uncheck Auto GPU Selection. After disabling automatic selection, move down toward the bottom of the same section. You should now be able to see the available GPU options listed there. Simply select and check the GPU you want DaVinci Resolve to use. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if your system shows multiple graphics options with similar names. This setting can be helpful if you're troubleshooting playback issues, trying to improve rendering performance, or making sure DaVinci Resolve uses your more powerful dedicated GPU instead of a lower power integrated one. Just remember that the exact list of available GPUs depends on the hardware installed in your computer. Once you've selected the GPU you want, your change is set within this Preferences area. If needed, give DaVinci Resolve a moment to apply the setting. In some setups, changes like this may work best after reopening the application, especially if you're switching between different GPUs. And that's it. That's how to select your GPU in DaVinci Resolve. It only takes a minute, and it can make a real difference if you want more control over how the software uses your system's graphics hardware.